We're going to compute the f prime of a using the definition of a derivative. Alrighty. So the definition of a derivative is as limit of h as approaches 0. It's f a plus h minus f of a over h. Okay, this is my function. 3x squared plus 4x plus 2. My a is equal to -1. First we get the limit as h approaches 0. We put this function and set every x to a plus h. So 3a plus h squared plus 4a plus h plus 2 minus the function 3x squared plus 4x plus 2 all over h. So then the next step, limit as h approaches 0, we insert the -1, the a value, into all the a's and into the x's in the original function. So 3 times -1 plus h squared plus 4 times -1 plus h plus 2 minus 3 -1 squared plus 4 -1 times -1 plus 2 all over h. So as limit as h approaches 0, what we do is distribute and do the math. Here we have 3 times 1 minus 2h plus h squared minus 4 plus 4h plus 2 minus, parentheses, -3 plus, +3 plus 4 minus 2. Or plus 2, I'm sorry. So after we get this, we're going to distribute over h, we're going to distribute a negative. So as limit h approaches 0, okay, so now we multiply 3 minus 6h plus 3h squared minus 4 plus 4h plus 2 minus 3 minus 4, plus 4, this would be a minus, plus minus 2 over h. So as limit h approaches 0, we're going to cancel like the opposite terms. So we have plus 2, -2, -4, plus 4, -3, plus 3. And we are left with -6h plus 3h squared plus 4h over h. So we still can take away these two. So we're left with -2h plus 3h squared over h. Okay, so now we factor out the h. As h approach limit, h approaches 0, take out the h, so we have -2 plus 3h over h. So the h's cancel, and we're left with as limit h approaches 0, we're left with no longer that, we're left with negative 2 plus 3h. So now, at this point, we replace the h with 0, and so we get a value of negative 2. F prime of A equals negative 2.